My video guide is about removing the browser pop-ups and advertisements which are related to the site Sihighlyrecom.xyz. Sihighlyrecom.xyz is a malicious website. It now attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on this Allow button, supposedly to help you continue your browsing, but the point is that to click on Allow is dangerous. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked with multiple pop-ups that will be displayed as random push notifications. So, if you have clicked on Allow, you should urgently fix your browser. So go to the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. So research the websites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this malicious site, you need to remove it from the list. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I would recommend investigating it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.